the great yellow sun.
Hey everyone, I am often very hesitant about where I place my stickers down in my planner. So today I'm going to create a sort of template for sticking down the stickers before committing to where they're gonna go on the actual spread. My mom came up with this idea. I'm going to do one monthly spread and one weekly spread. And if you don't have extra planner sheets, you could just scan in future sheets from the planner that you already have and print it out and laminate those. These templates are going at the front of my home planner, so I wanted to create a tab to make them easily accessible. I took one of the tabs that come with the Planner Society kits, but you can create your own using scrapbook paper. And then I laminated the sheet to act as a divider in my planner. I made sure to add the tab before laminating. I'm using 3 sequential pages as opposed to 4 pages. And this is intentional to minimize the number of templates that I need to store in my planner. After I cut off the excess, I punch holes in the side and the templates are ready to go. I'm not being picky about whether or not the stickers are crooked as I place them down because I know that I will be transferring them to the actual page later. So this was pretty fun because it took the stress out of decorating. I wasn't afraid to get a little bit more creative and try new ways that I wouldn't normally try. If you want to get an idea of what your layout is going to look like, it may be helpful to write on the template. I'm using a wet erase marker, which is easily wiped away using a wet paper towel. Make sure though that you allow the ink to dry so it doesn't smear. So here's where the template came in handy. I realized that I really didn't like how the word happy and the sun sticker looked. And then I tried out some banners there, but I really didn't like how that looked either. At this point, I decided I was ready, so I began transferring over the stickers from the template onto the actual page. And I want to emphasize to test your stickers on the laminate before placing all of them down, because this method is not going to work with extra sticky stickers that easily rip. Also, it's best not to press them down or try to smooth them out. Just lightly apply them so the removal process is a little bit easier.
So you think you were right?
I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!